Off against Miguel Blaze, Nate Baez, and Brooks Brannon in this 3-1 ball game. First pitch to Blaze, 96. 0-1 to him, 96 again, and bullpen is throwing 96. 0-2. Taken low and inside, the splitter dives. 30 prospect in the Phillies pipeline. He's number 12. 1-2. This ball is golfed down the left field line, but way foul. Assigned to Redding today. 1-2, fisted foul. Straight back over the netting, over the fans who will be. 1-2. Misses high and outside at 97. And it's 2-2. Waypon Jersey Shore. 2-2. Swinging a foul ball, nubbed down the left side. Between. Next pitch. Swung on and hit down the left field line and fair. Going to grab it out of the corner is Bryson Ware, and it's a leadoff double for Miguel Blaze. He's on second, and that brings the tying run to the plate. Blaze, 7th double of the season. That ball just stayed fair. Waypon deals home, and this is high and away for ball 1. Late in the pitching tonight has been remarkable. 1-0 misses inside. The splitter darts out of the glove of Ricketts, and in a while. 2-0. Take it down the heart of the plate at 95. Good meeting. It's 2-1. Neutral count. 2-1. Waving a miss at 95 again. On him. Winds and deals. Ball is swung on and clubbed foul. Up the right side, over the seats. They're 3 outs away from 1. 2-2, nubbed foul again. 14 for 9 this series with 4 punch outs. Next pitch to him is swung on and skied to shallow left center field. Leon and Ware converging, and Pedro Leon makes the grab for the first out. Leon effectively taking over in center field for Dante Nori, who's on the 7-day injured list. Could come back soon. Doesn't seem to be a long run, and nobody down. Brannon has 3 strikeouts. He swings at this one, and a foul ball that Waypon's 0-1. Swung on and fisted foul again. It's 0-2 on Brooks Brannon. Waypon looking for that first Double-A strikeout. Instead, it's a line drive to left center field that's deposited in front of Leon. Green light's on for Blaze. He'll come home to score. It's an RBI single, and it is 3-2. Portland cuts the lead in half. Brooks Brannon's 32nd RBI of the season. And just like that, he represents the tying run now a 4th of the way to his destination. First pitch taken low and inside at 94 for ball 1. Johan Garcia down the stretch. 1-0. Swung on and lined down the right field line, heading towards the foul pole, and it curves foul for a 0 for 3 today. Next pitch to him, taken low and outside. A splitter misses for ball 2. Garcia, the pitch to him, taken high and outside, 3-1. And here, 3-1 is laced back up the middle. On a line, it skips twice up to Leon in center field. He fumbles with the baseball, but fires it back in. Just added to the roster today. First pitch, taken at the knees at 97 for strike 1. Yeah, on first base, represents the potential go-ahead. This ball is swung on and chopped left side. It twists foul. He reaches back the 1-1. Is a broken bat flare down the right field line and foul. The oohs and ahs. And fires home. High chopper left side. Polanco Grego swings on to second for 1. Arun Escobar on to first for 2. A 5-4-3 double play, and the Fightin' Phils are victorious 3-2 on this Saturday night. And it had to be dramatic. Portland has put up a fight all series long, but when Waypon gets a 5-4-3 double play, gets out of the inning, seals the victory, and gets his first ever Double-A save.